Hi, welcome to today's short video on how to create text sets with BadgerLink. First, what's a text? A text is any communication, spoken, written, or visual, involving language. In an increasingly visual and online world, students need to be able to interpret and create text sets that combine words, images, and sound in order to make meaning of texts that are no longer read in one clear linear direction. A text set is a collection of resources from different genre, media, and levels of reading difficulty that are designed to be supportive of the learning of readers with a range of experiences and interests. Before we get started searching for materials to create text sets, there are a couple considerations. What do experts in your field read? Many professional journals and magazines are available in BadgerLink, and reading them gives students context for subject-specific vocabulary. Examining a variety of texts builds disciplinary literacy, which is the confluence of content knowledge, experiences, and skills merged with the ability to read, write, listen, speak, think critically, and perform in a way that is meaningful within the context of a given field. Reading, writing, speaking, listening, and critical thinking must be integrated into each discipline across all grades so that all students gradually build knowledge and skills towards college and career readiness. Building text sets is a great way to teach disciplinary literacy because a text can be spoken, written, or visual. Developing groups of texts that relay different information builds the student's ability to read, write, and speak. When building text sets, start with a standard. Consider what you want students to know or be able to do, and then build from there. Now, let's go to the BadgerLink website to explore our resources. On our homepage at badgerlink.dpi.wi.gov, we have our resources grouped by format, subject, and user group. Our Find category provides a listing of resources by format. This is a great way to search for different types of texts. You can find nonfiction book chapters, magazines, images, video, animations, and more. If you're looking for resources on a specific topic, like history, science, literature, or health, you can easily find a listing of available resources in the Learn column. In the I'm A area, you can find resources based on the user group, including grade level. Let's say you're looking for a magazine article for elementary science students. There are many ways to find the resources available. To get started, I'll click on Science and Technology. This is the listing of resources that have science-related content. At the top of the page, we have filters so you can get more specific results. We're looking for magazines for elementary students. Select those categories, then click Apply. After applying the filter, we have a list of 2 resources, a much more manageable list. Let's say that after looking at the list, you decide you'd like to include other formats. Under Find, select Any, then click Apply. We now have a longer list. To learn more about a resource, you can click on the Description and More Information link. This takes you to the resource page that has training videos, other documentation, and other information for educators. If you have any questions about using BadgerLink, ask a librarian. Thanks for joining us for this short video. We'll see you next time.